guys, it's Chantel with WildBerry Quilting, and I've got my Sweetwater labels for this month. So let's take a look at them. Now, this is a monthly subscription, and I think it's like $6 a month. So if you're looking for some kind of subscription to do and you don't want to invest a lot, this would be a fun one for you. And it is the tagged label subscription. It's got all of your instructions for how to use it on the front. And let's see what we got this time. Oh, it looks like some Americana ones. Made in America, handcrafted with love, and made in America. Those are very pretty. Perfect for the 4th of July, which we have coming up here. And I know, it's not an international holiday or anything, but I do love 4th of July. I think it's the fireworks and it's getting to be outside in the warm weather and stay out all night and see, the excitement of everything that's going on. It's one of my favorite holidays because of that. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.